In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screen snipping on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Go button up in the menu bar, and then select Utilities. Then you want to select where it says Screenshot. Go ahead and just double click on that. And then you can select the third option from the left. This is Capture Selected Portion. And then using your mouse cursor, you can just adjust the size of the area you want to capture. Select the Capture button to confirm at the bottom there. And then it should save it to your desktop regardless, but it will give you additional options if you want to share it to a different location, like your Messenger, or if you want to copy it to your clipboard. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.